Question 10. This is Cambridge 0580 non-calculator. Now, look at this nice question here. The question gave us a circle. They gave us this 35 and that's 40. There is no other information given other than this. And they said DE here is a tangent. That's very good. Now let's look at the question. The question asks to find angle AOC, ABC, DAC, and OAB. A lot. But let's write them in X's up there. So where is AOC? AOC is this one. So let's call it X and find it. How can we find this angle? The first thing I've noticed is from O to A is a radius, and from O to C is a radius. That means these two are equal. And if they are equal, then this is isosceles triangle, isn't it? That means these angles, this one here and this one there, will be equal. So this is 35. Good. Now we have two angles in a triangle. Definitely finding the third one is just a piece of cake. So the third one is going to be 180 minus the sum of these two. 35 plus 35 is 70. 180 minus 70 is 110. We found X. Let's erase everything else and let's just keep the X for now. And it's 110. I'll write it here. And that's it for the first part. Let's even erase this. We don't need it. Now let's look at the next question. This is 110. We got it. Now, angle ABC. Let's see, where is that? ABC, right? ABC, yes. ABC is here. Oh, this is a nice question. Have you noticed angle ABC is a circumference angle, and angle OAC is a central angle. The angle in the circumference is always half of the central angle. So if this is 110, this is half of 110, so it's 55. Got it. Now angle DAC. DAC. Oh, this one here. Nice, nice. Very good. Now, in the question, they said DE is a tangent. When they say it's a tangent, they said that for a reason. What's the reason? They want you to remember the tangent makes a 90 degrees with the radius. So that means this angle here is 90 degrees. And if this is 90, and we already found this one here, do you remember? It's 35. So we can find this easily. So this angle is just 90 minus 35. No calculator. So 90 minus 30 is 60. So 90 minus 35 is 55. Ta-da! We got you. So we got this angle. Now let's look at the next question. The next question is angle OAB. I think this will be a tricky one, but let's see. OAB. Where are you? OAB. Oh, I got it. I saw it. Let me just erase this. OAB is this angle, right? So how can we find that? Do you want to help me think? Now, let's call it X for now. To find this, we can do what? We can do many things, but what I think of is we look at the quadrilateral four-sided shape. Look at this. Follow me on the line here, a yellow line. So if we look at this shape, this is four-sided shape. So the total of these angles should be 360, right? Now we know three of them already. We know this is 55, we know this is 40, and we can tell what's this. Because the 110 plus this angle here make 360. So if I do 360 minus 110, I'll get 250. That means this angle here is 250. Now I have 40, I have 55, I have 250. I can find X easily. How do I find it? I'll add them all, and then I'll do 360 minus the sum of them. So 250 plus 55 plus 40. So that's 5, and that's 14, and that's 1, so it's 345. Now to find x, just do 360 minus 345. It's 15, and that's your answer. Now we got all of them. I'm not sure if there is anything else. Oh yeah, that's it. Now this is 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4 marks question. Was it easy? Did you get it? Do you have any question? You can ask. Now let's look at this question here.